ito, Mia, di ba, speaking of learnings, marami ka natutunan with the gastos and all. Meron bang specific lesson na sa usapang pera na natutunan mo na, ay, sana mas maaga ko tong nalaman? Kasi di ba, ang dami mo nang napuntahan, dami mong tinirahan, ang dami mong tinry, ang dami mong naging trabaho. Meron bang specific financial lesson na share mo sa mga taga-kinig natin na sana dati ko pa to alam?
For so long kasi, especially nung nasa Cebu pa ako, lumipat akong Bohol, lumipat akong Davao, even if I was still earning, I was still in survival mode. Oo.
Okay.
Kasi ang ginagawa ko, pag may pera ko, kinikip ko lang talaga siya ng kinikip. And that was one of the things na sana hindi ko ginawa. Dahil, ang ginawa ko kasi, keep lang lahat eh.
Like save lang.
Kaya ako nadidrain. Kasi wala akong nire-reward sa sarili ko.
I see.
Promise, I was very exhausted. Going to work is very dragging because I did not see any result from the things that I've sacrificed, that I've struggled, that I've poured my heart, time, and sweat into. Kaya, parang ayoko siyang ipagpatuloy. Kasi, wala akong nire-reward sa sarili ko. Kaya, parang sabi ko, nung lumipat ako Manila, sabi ko, I've survived for too long. It's time for me to live my life.
It's time for you to thrive.
Yes.
It's time to thrive.
Yes. Actually, may nabasa ako, sabi nila, it's called delayed living. Na parang, because for so long, you were just working so that you can survive. This time, you are trying to live your life na.
Ooh.
I'm 30 already.
Okay.
So in my 30s, I'm living my life.
Yes.
Yun ang decision natin.
We love
Kasi
that.
I feel like if you reward yourself, kahit simpleng iced coffee lang yan, as long as you can see something from the things that you've worked so hard for, mas gaganahan kang magtrabaho.
Okay. So you would say, no, before that, nung mas tipid
Sobra.
mode ka lang.
Hindi ka ako bumibili ng cake ko pag birthday ko.
Oh my gosh, ganong level.
I think it's coming from, alam mo yun, kapag galing ka kasi sa simple talaga, di ba? Yung parang walang-wala. Medyo, kumbaga, sanay ka din sa, kailangan may mapanghuhugutan ka kung ano man yung mangyari. Kahit sabihing, wala pa naman talagang paggagamitan. Pero dahil sanay ka sa survival mode, talagang parang, sige, wag na to. Kahit yung yan, kunwari, birthday cake para sa sarili mo, parang, ay, hindi na lang mag-birthday cake. Baka mamaya magutom ako bukas. So, parang laging ganun. So, ngayon na, ayan, 30 ka na, and of course, we know better.
Hala, nasabi ko tuloy yung age ko. Sabi ko kanina, I was 21 eh.
Kung anong
I was 21 years old. Sabi ko tuloy.
Ngayon na previously 21 kami.
As a
Yes.
21 girl.
Ano ang ma-advise mo sa listeners natin on how to balance that, yung coming from survival mode to ngayon, in a way, you can enjoy a bit of your money, your adult money.
Before yung palagi kong sinasabi, and I'm not gonna say this to you, but I'm still gonna share. Palagi kong sinasabi before, if it's not a hell yes, it's a hell no. Pero it did not work long time.
Okay.
Kasi, hindi siya very practical eh. For example, going to the gym. Diba, sasabihin, ayoko. But if you think about it, important kasi siya. It's important for you to work out. And it's important for you to have a healthy lifestyle. So parang sasabihin, hindi ko kasi masasabing hell yes everyday ang gym.
Yes.
Diba?
Ang hirap
Ang hirap ko
May
yun.
mga araw lang na parang concert ng kama.
Pero it's important. So parang ang may advice ko na lang is, do not spend your money as if the future is not important. But do not live your life as if you're still living in the past. It's important that you live your life. Kasi pag parang feeling mo, palagi ka na lang survival mode, wala ka nang binibigay sa sarili mo, mauubos at mauubos ka. Nasabi ko nga to minsan before sa isang podcast that I'm not gonna mention because this is the best podcast that I've ever been to. Pero pangalawang beses ko palang makata ng podcast kaya medyo...
It's a toss-up.
Ganun. Pero nasabi ko kasi one time na parang wala ka kasing ibang puhunan kundi yung sarili mo. Dapat,
That is so true.
Yes, dapat magbigay ka ng ROI para lumago ka. Kasi kung lahat ng kinikita mo, ibibigay mo, for example, support mo sa family mo, ipang babayad mo sa ganito, ganyan, mauubos at mauubos ka talaga.
Totoo. And ano yan syempre iba-ibang areas yan ng buhay natin na may mga pinaprioritize.
Yes.
So finally, you're prioritizing yourself. Ang decision mo ba ay parang lahat pang reward mo na, or do you budget
yes.
it?
What is the
Nilalaan mo ba
strategy?
siya? Ano yung strategy mo ngayon?
May pa-percentage ka ba dyan, Mi? Yung kunwari, okay, 70% gastos.
Ganon.
Okay.
Thank you for that very wonderful
Yes,
question.
uh-huh.
And I'm so privileged that I am the guest for today because I don't know how to answer that. Hala, Day, very very impulsive buyer ako.
Okay.
I feel like i-blame ko na naman siya sa childhood trauma ko. Kasi alam mo yung, hindi ko na-experience yan before. Yes.
Okay.
Healing my childhood trauma na naman.
Okay.
Alam mo, especially pag mga hindi mo na-experience yung mga bagay. Pero hindi ako masyadong maluho. Pero more on experience ako.
Travel.
Relate ako dyan.
Oh, I love traveling.
Yes.
Yeah.
For example, kasi minsan iniisip ko din, ginagaslight ko kasi sarili ko.
Okay.
Sinasabi ko minsan, there are worth it, things can be worthy not because it was a smart decision to do, but because it was meaningful. For example, last year, dinala ko yung buong family ko, my mom, mga kapatid ko, from Cebu to Manila during Christmas. And it wasn't really the smart thing to do kasi mahal yung ticket.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Diba? Sobrang mahal ng
Traffic.
ticket. Sobrang traffic.
Hindi medyo sobrang traffic.
Tapos, coding pa, so mag-grab kami. So it's, can I mention Grab?
Okay lang.
Okay lang yan.
Call us. So it wasn't really the smartest decision to do, but it was very meaningful. Super, super meaningful. Kaya worth it siya.
First time.
Galing talaga niya. Worth it.
As a content creator,
Oo, magaling talaga
First
yan
time-
siya.
First time ba yun ng entire family
First
mo
timer,
to-
oo. Diyos ko. Tawang
Meron ba silang moments din ng day
Yes,
one nila
Day.
in Manila? Ano yung
Yes,
day one in
Day.
Manila nila, te?
Kasi ako, nung pumunta ko dito na Manila, andun kami sa BGC.
Okay.
And yung friend ko, sabi niya, may pila dito. Sabi ko sa kanya, papunta pa lang kasi ako, sabi ko, mataas ba yung pila? Sabi niya, paano ba pumila ang mga tao sa Cebu? Patong-patong.
Anong mataas na pila?
Mahaba pala yan siya. Kasi sa amin, mataas, ganito, or ganyan. That's mataas. Dito may mahaba, may matangkad.
Yes.
Oo.
May mataas,
oo.
iba-iba pala siya.
Yes.
Yung papa ko naman, dinala ko siya sa BGC. Sabi niya, hala, ang building dito, malalayo. Hala, malayo daw.
Malayo.
Katapat lang namin.
Okay. Mataas naman ang gusto niya
Mataas
sabihin.
pala yung
Oh my
building.
gosh, okay.
Kumakain kami ng samgyup. Kasi
Okay,
walang
okay.
masyadong samgyup dun sa amin.
Okay.
Sabi ng papa ko, pagurin mo yung baboy.
Pagod na siya. Iluluto na siya.
Gumive up na nga siya sa buhay.
Ano yung ibig sabihin ng pagurin?
Tustahin pala yun.
Itusta. Okay.
Tustahin.
Well done.
Pero ko talaga na experience dito. Kasi napagkamalan pa akong racist. Bumili ako sa tindahan. Sabi ko, meron kayong Bombay.
Which means?
Ano yung Bombay?
Sibuyas. Sabi nung sari-sari store, hindi kami nagbebenta ng Bombay.
Parang mapagkakamalan pa siya sa human trafficking. Oo, talaga
Tapos nakita ko
naman.
kasi may doon, may sibuyas. Sabi ko, yan ba yung purple? Sabi ko gano'n. Sabi niya, sibuyas. Tapos, nung pag-uwi ko, sabi ko, hala, racist ba kami mga taga Cebu? O mga Bisaya? Kasi bakit Bombay yung tawag sa amin? Tapos
Okay.
nag-search ako. Yun pala, kaya Bombay yung tawag doon sa amin kasi before, during the galleon trade,
The galleon trade, okay.
Yes.
Mhm.
yung mga spices mula sa Bombay na ngayon ay Mumbai na.
Okay. We learn something new every day.
Yes. Bombay pala yun siya before, pero ngayon Mumbai.
If this episode made you reflect on your own life decisions, then maybe it's time to ask yourself the same question. Yung mga choices mo, career moves, love life, big risks, or even those random impulsive decisions. Worth it ba talaga? If you enjoyed this conversation, make sure to follow Worth It Ba for more real stories, honest reflections, and barkada-level real talk about life decisions. And if you have your own Worth It Ba moment, share it with us in the comments. Because at the end of the day, lahat tayo may decisions na pinagdaanan, and every choice comes with a story. Follow Worth It Ba for more episodes.